Have you ever imagined what it would be like to wake up in 2025, living the life you've always dreamed of? Your ideal job, fulfilling relationships, and a sense of purpose driving you every day. So, what if I told you that the first step to creating this reality starts with a simple yet powerful tool that has helped countless people turn their dreams into tangible achievements? That tool is a vision board. But this isn't just about cutting pictures and pasting them on a board. This is about manifesting a roadmap to your future. Before we dive in, take a second to reflect. What's one big goal you've been dreaming of for 2025? Drop it in the comments below, because today we're not just talking about dreams. We're talking about making them happen. A vision board is more than just a collage of images. It's a proven manifestation tool used by successful people worldwide, like Oprah and Jim Carrey. In fact, research shows that visualizing your goals increases your chances of achieving them by 42%. It's not just art, it's science working in your favor. By creating a vision board, you'll be able to clarify your goals, focus your energy, and attract what you want into your life. This simple process can transform how you approach your aspirations. Now, imagine waking up every morning, looking at your vision board, and feeling inspired to take action toward your dreams. Imagine the sense of excitement and purpose as you move closer to your goals. A vision board is more than just a pretty picture. It's your personal roadmap to success. In today's video, we're going to take you on a journey to create your very own vision board for 2025. We'll show you how to gather materials, brainstorm your goals, and assemble your board in a way that truly reflects your desires. By the end of this video, you'll have a powerful tool to help you manifest your dreams and achieve success in the new year. So, are you ready to unlock your dreams and make 2025 your best year yet? Let's get started. When it comes to gathering materials for your vision board, the possibilities are endless. You can use old magazines, scissors, glue, and any craft supplies you have lying around. You can also print out images from the internet or use your own photos. The key is to choose materials that resonate with your goals and desires. Start by flipping through your magazines and tearing out any images or words that catch your eye. Feel the excitement as you flip through the pages. The sound of paper tearing, the tactile experience of cutting out that perfect image. This is all part of the magic. Don't overthink it. Just trust your instincts and let your intuition guide you. You can also write down any words or phrases that come to mind as you go. As you're gathering materials, start thinking about what you want to achieve in 2025. What are your goals and aspirations? What does your ideal life look like? Don't worry too much about what's possible or realistic. This is your time to dream big and focus on what you truly want to achieve. Take a few minutes to brainstorm your goals and write them down in a journal or on a piece of paper. Don't worry about organizing them or making them perfect. Just focus on getting everything out of your head and onto paper. Once you have your goals written down, start thinking about how you can visually represent them on your vision board. What images or words will help you bring your goals to life? Take your time and have fun with this process. It's all about experimentation and creativity. Remember, your vision board is a reflection of your desires, so don't be afraid to think big and be bold. This is your chance to dream big and create the life you've always wanted. As you brainstorm your goals, prioritize the ones that excite and motivate you the most. These will be the foundation of your vision board and help you stay focused and inspired throughout the year. Take a closer look at your goals and start grouping them into categories. Are there any common themes or patterns that emerge? Are there areas of your life that need more attention or focus? Use these categories to create sections on your vision board. For example, one section for career goals, one for relationships, and one for personal growth. This will help you stay organized and focused as you create your board. Now that you have your materials and goals, it's time to start assembling your vision board. This is the fun part, where you get to be creative and bring your dreams to life. Start by creating a background for your board. You can use cardboard, a canvas, or even a large piece of paper. Then, start adding your images and words, grouping them into sections based on your goals. As you place each image or word on your board, take a moment to reflect on why you chose it. What does it represent to you? How does it make you feel? Imagine what it'll be like to reach that milestone. What emotions do you feel? Excitement, peace, pride? Connecting with your goals on a deeper level will help keep you motivated throughout the year. Don't worry too much about making your vision board perfect. It's all about the process, not the product. Focus on having fun and expressing yourself creatively. As you add the final touches to your vision board, step back and admire your work. Look at each image and word and remember why you chose it. Feel the excitement and motivation that comes with creating something that truly reflects your desires. This vision board is more than just a pretty picture. It's a symbol of your commitment to your goals and aspirations. It's a reminder of what you want to achieve and a motivator to take action toward making it happen. Hang your vision board somewhere. You'll see it every day, on your fridge, on a wall, or even on your desk. Look at it every morning and remember what you want to achieve in 2025. Take a few moments each day to reflect on your vision board and think about what actions you can take to move closer to your goals. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable tasks and start taking action toward making them happen. Remember, your vision board is a tool to help you manifest your dreams, but it's up to you to take action and make it happen. Stay committed to your goals and watch how your life transforms in 2025. As life changes, so might your goals. Regularly revisit your vision board, update your dreams, and set new ones once you've reached milestones. Be open to change, and don't be afraid to make adjustments to your vision board. By revisiting your vision board, you'll stay focused, motivated, and in tune with your evolving dreams. This board is your secret weapon for manifesting an incredible 2025. Got any exciting images or ideas already? Let us know in the comments. We'd love to hear what's going up on your vision board for 2025. And remember to check out our other videos on goal setting and manifestation techniques. We've got tons of tips and strategies to help you achieve your dreams. Thanks for joining us on this journey to create your vision board for 2025. Stay committed to your goals and watch how your life transforms in the new year. Ready to make 2025 your best year yet? So, let's manifest it together. Happy creating!